In this short video, we're looking at how to use the quick release tripod and the function of the O-ring. When setting up the tripod, the O-ring enables the threadless rod to stay exactly where you want it. Set the position of the O-ring so that the disc is higher than you need for the finished height. Apply steady pressure on the disc with the end of the style. Stop when your laser level beeps. It's that simple. You can use one hand to lock off the clamping lever. You got all the jewels yet? It's time to join the tripod revolution.